What if a single bite could change everything? For millions of people worldwide, this isn't a hypothetical question. It's the daily reality of living with a peanut allergy, a silent threat that can hide in the most unexpected places. This isn't just a minor intolerance, it's a potentially life-threatening condition driven by a profound biological misunderstanding within the body. Today, we journey deep inside the immune system to uncover the science behind this powerful allergy and explore the strategies that empower individuals to navigate their world safely. To understand a peanut allergy, we must first understand the immune system's critical error. Imagine our immune system as a highly trained security force, constantly patrolling for genuine threats like viruses and bacteria. Advanced 3D animation shows immune cells moving through the bloodstream. For someone with a peanut allergy, this system makes a crucial misjudgment. It incorrectly identifies a harmless protein from a peanut as a dangerous invader. In response to this perceived threat, the body initiates a defense protocol, producing a specific type of antibody known as immunoglobulin E, or IgE. These IgE antibodies then act like wanted posters, attaching themselves to specialized immune cells called mast cells and basophils, priming them for a future encounter. When that person is exposed to peanuts again, the cascade of reaction begins. Animation shows peanut proteins entering the body and locking onto the IgE antibodies on a mast cell. This binding is the trigger. The mast cells are activated, degranulating and releasing a flood of powerful chemicals, most notably histamine, into the bloodstream. This chemical wave launches a system-wide alarm. It causes blood vessels to leak, leading to swelling and hives on the skin. It constricts the airways, making breathing difficult and labored. In the most severe cases, it can cause a rapid, life-threatening drop in blood pressure, a state known as anaphylactic shock. Every second counts as the body wages war against a harmless nut. Navigating a world filled with peanuts requires vigilance and a solid action plan. Diagnosis is the first step, typically involving a skin prick test or a blood test that measures the levels of specific IgE antibodies, confirming the immune system's sensitivity. Once diagnosed, management revolves around strict avoidance. This means becoming an expert at reading food labels, learning to spot hidden allergens in sauces, baked goods, and cross-contaminated foods, and practicing safe food preparation at home. But because accidental exposure can always happen, preparedness is non-negotiable. This involves having an emergency action plan and knowing how to correctly and immediately use an epinephrine auto-injector, a life-saving device that can reverse the severe symptoms of anaphylaxis. But there is a glimmer of breakthroughs on the horizon. In laboratories around the globe, scientists are pioneering innovative treatments that offer new hope. Quick cuts show researchers in labs microscopy images and animated representations of treatments. Fields like oral immunotherapy, or OIT, are exploring ways to carefully desensitize the immune system by introducing minuscule, gradually increasing amounts of peanut protein over time. Other approaches, like patch therapy, aim to achieve a similar outcome through the skin. These emerging therapies aren't cures, but they represent a monumental shift with the potential to reduce the severity of reactions and vastly improve the quality of life for those affected. Ultimately, living and thriving with a peanut allergy is a testament to resilience, supported by awareness and community. Behind every diagnosis are stories of individuals and families who have learned to manage their condition with courage and care. Their success highlights the crucial role of a supportive network, friends, family, and schools educated on the risks and ready to act. It underscores the importance of advocacy for clearer labeling, safer public spaces, and continued research. Understanding the science behind peanut allergies is the first step toward empathy and action. This knowledge empowers us to create a safer, more inclusive world for everyone. It transforms fear into preparedness and isolation into community. We encourage you to continue learning, support allergy research, and be an advocate for awareness in your own community. Your understanding can make all the difference.